These adorable vintage Pyrex cookies are the latest project in my cookie art club. Here's a preview of the tutorial. I'm cutting the cookies from a chilled sheet of cookie dough with a template and a craft knife. I'll place these onto a perforated baking mat and I'll bake these cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now that the cookies are completely cool, I'm icing them with flood consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 3, and I'm leaving a little space at the top for the lid. Since we're working with the wet on wet technique, you'll want to use a royal icing recipe that will let you work with it for a few minutes before it starts to crust over. I'm usually able to get between 5 and 10 minutes out of my royal icing recipe. To get the most time out of your icing, turn off any fans or heaters in the room while you decorate. I'm using my scribe tool to fill in any gaps and bring the icing a little bit closer to the edge. For the full instructions on how to flood a cookie, you can watch Royal Icing 101. I'm piping the floral design while the icing is still wet. I also have the green icing in a tipless bag with a very small opening, and I'll use that to pipe flower centers. You can also use it to fill in any spaces where the white outlines got too thick. If you enjoyed this preview of the latest tutorial in my cookie art club and you'd like to see more, hit the join button to become a member. You'll get access to over 160 ad-free tutorials, and I'm adding more all the time. You'll also get access to my recipes and personalized cookie decorating advice when you need it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.